In this video we're going to find the equation of the tangent to the curve rather than actually find the gradient at a particular point. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve y is equal to x cubed minus 3x squared plus 6 at the point P where x is equal to 1. Okay, in order to do this we will also need to know the y coordinate where x is equal to 1. So first we're going to find the y coordinate of the point P where x is equal to 1. So what we're going to do, we're going to put x is equal to 1 and substitute it into this curve. So we're going to have y is equal to 1 cubed minus 3 times 1 squared plus 6. Right, make sure you substitute in brackets. I know 1's quite easy, but make sure you do substitute in brackets to get the answer. So we're going to get 1 minus 3 plus 6 from that. 1 take away 3 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 6 is 4. So the point P has coordinates 1, 4. Right, now we're going to find the gradient function of this curve. So we've got y is equal to x cubed minus 3x squared plus 6. So we're going to have to differentiate that. So when y is equal to kx to the n, dy by dx is nkx to the n minus 1. Therefore, dy by dx will be 3x squared minus, to bring the 2 down in front, 6x to the power of 1. And when you differentiate 6, you get nothing. Right, we need to find the value of the gradient when x is equal to 1. So up P when x is equal to 1, where x is equal to 1. So we're going to substitute 1 into here. We're going to get dy by dx is 3 times 1 squared minus 6 times 1, which is going to give me 3, take away 6, which is minus 3. So what I've got here is the gradient of the tangent at the point where x is equal to 1. I know its gradient is minus 3. So the equation of the tangent at the point 1, 4 is going to be of the form. Now straight line graphs are of the form y is equal to mx plus c. Now I've got the value of n because I know the gradient is 3 at the point 1, 4. So we're going to have y is equal to minus 3x plus c. Now in order to find the value of c, I know that when x is 1, y is 4. So I'm going to have 4, y is 4, is equal to minus 3 times 1 plus c, and then 4 is going to be minus 3 plus c, and then c is going to be 4 plus 3, which is 7. So my equation of my tangent is going to be y is equal to minus 3x plus 7. Now, to illustrate that, I've got this graph here. So here is the graph of y is equal to x cubed minus 3x plus 6. Here is the point 1, 4 on that curve, and this is the tangent drawn at that particular point to the curve. And we can see its equation is minus 3x plus 7. So this has been a video to show you how to find the tangent to a curve, the equation of the tangent to a curve at a particular point. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.